Every conversation you have with AI chatbots could be used to train their models. But here's what most people don't know, you can actually turn this off. In this video, I will show you how to disable training data collection on ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini. In ChatGPT, look for your profile picture or initials in the bottom left corner. Click on it and select Settings. Then select Data Controls. Here's the key setting, improve the model for everyone. When this is turned on, OpenAI uses your conversations to train and improve their AI models. To opt out, simply toggle this off. Once you disable this, your conversations won't be used for training. Apart from this, you can use temporary chat feature if you're discussing anything sensitive. Though, OpenAI says they keep a copy of this chat for up to 30 days. And they have mentioned that they do not use temporary chats to train their models. In Microsoft Copilot, the settings depend on whether you're using it for your personal use or Copilot with your work or school account. If you are using a personal Copilot account, click on your profile name on the bottom left, click on your profile name again in the menu that pops up, then click on Privacy. And turn off the model training on text option. In Google Gemini, click on the settings gear icon on the bottom left and select Activity. This opens your Google Activity page specifically for Gemini conversations. Turn this off to prevent Google from saving your Gemini conversations. Also from this screen, you can delete your past activities. So that's how you disable training data collection on the major AI platforms. But I believe these settings help, but they're not a bulletproof guarantee. These companies may still be collecting metadata, monitor for safety, and retain data for various operational purposes. As they say, if something is free, you are the product. These AI services are free because our data has value. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more such videos. Drop a comment below if you have questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.